Welcome back to the HTA with me, Rory Duffy, for our latest video series, How to Make a Lady's Jacket. Just like every other video series featured on our channel, we're going to start off with the draft. Join 15 to 14. 18 is next. 18 is a third of the scale. 18 on the third scale. Square up. So the front edge is a curve. You measure back from the center front line here. So this one's 3/4 and this one's 5/8, and that's going to give us a nice smooth curve to the front of it. That's the reason why you don't button this button. You only button that one because it's on a curve. Otherwise, if you try to button, you're actually pulling the coat further forward, which is not something we want to do. First thing I want to do here is we're going to just spray some water over the cloth here. That's just to help, press out any wrinkles that might be in the cloth. So I'm just using a domestic iron for this. You'll notice that all the way through this video series, I'll be using this Kenwood iron. What I haven't included in this pattern system is the facing. I'm going to show you how a Savile Row tailor would actually make a facing. We generally do that as we go along, so that's just another little detail I want to show you guys, how you just make a facing from the cloth. Let's drop our weight on it. Center back here. So you can put the fold at the top and the knob at the bottom. Now you can wrap it all up. So lay the forepart down first, then the side body, and then we take over the top sleeve and under sleeve and the back as well.